Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture of Skibidi toilet and Nightmare Before Christmas's Jack Skellington. So let's jump into it. It's going to be really simple and fast, and we're going to go through it together. So let's hop in now. Okay, so let's go over and draw the mixture of Jack Skellington and Skibidi toilet. So let's hop into it, all right? First thing I do here is I'm going to start with the Jack Skellington head. Curve over here, as much of a circle as you can make it. Curve over here. And curve over here. Line over here. All right, cool. Over here, line up for the eye. Line up over here for this eye. Curve around the corner here, up. And curve around the corner here, up. Circle for the nose. Circle for the nose on this side. Fill it in, fill it in. And line underneath. Line underneath. Curve, curve. And fill it in. Fill it in on this side, keep filling it in. Just gonna get in that area totally dark. If you're using a marker, if you're using a pencil, you could probably fill it in easier. I'm not sure because you can side of the pencil. Fill it in over here. Over here on this side. Alrighty, and let's go over here for the mouth. Line, 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 line. Cool. Let's draw his neck down here now. Line down. And line down. It gets a little bit smaller as it goes down, okay? Cool. Line down here for the top of the toilet area. Line over here. Line over here. And fill it in. Cool. Out. Down. Out over here. Down. Curve underneath. Alright, for that toilet seat. Out over here. Out over here for the bottom of the bowl area. Curve on that side. Gonna go over here on this side. Curve down on this side. Pull down. Pull down. And the bottom of the bowl. Right on over here. Curve. Curve. Up over here for the seat of the toilet bowl. Curve on the top. And it's going to continue to pull downward. Circle. Circle for the seat itself. Circle. Circle. Up over here. Up. Out over here. Up. Alright, that's the kind of the back area of the toilet. Line across and try to catch it over here on this side. Line up. line up, line across, line across, curve, and line across. Out, down, over here. Curve. All right, so we got the toilet so far. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make it a little bit more obvious. So I'm gonna make the line around his head thicker. The reason for that, and this is pretty important, is I want to create a focus on the drawing itself. Creating that focus is, I would say, pretty vital. Creating that focus is a pretty big deal. And draw like a little notch over here on the where you flush the toilet. And there you go. That is Jack Skellington mixed with Skibidi Toilet merged together. I want you to stick around. Well, first thing I want you to do, hit the like button. Check out all the cool free stuff in the description. And then stick around and we're going to do another video together. All right, let's do it. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.